The health of the trip circuit can be monitored when jumper is wired from DC positive side to F3 of the trip contact. When the main breaker is closed, the trickle current will pass through the voltage monitoring circuit and 52A auxiliary switch without tripping the breaker. When the main breaker is open, then monitoring circuit is interrupted. Some applications require monitoring of the trip coil continuously, regardless of the breaker position. This can be achieved by connecting a resistor across the breaker auxiliary contact 52A in the trip circuit. With such connection, the trickle current is maintained by the resistor. Meanwhile, the setting of the bypass breaker state should be set to enabled. Similarly, the closed circuit can also be monitored when the jumper is wired from DC positive side to F6 of close contact. When the main breaker is open, the trickle current will pass through voltage monitoring circuit and 52B auxiliary switch. A bypass resistor can be connected, like in the trip circuit, in order to monitor the closed coil continuously, regardless of the breaker position. Similarly, the setting of the bypass breaker state should be set into enabled. The breaker arcing current element calculates an estimate of per phase wear on the breaker contacts by measuring and integrating the current squared passed through the breaker contacts as an arc. These per phase values are added to the accumulated total for each phase and compared to a programmed threshold values for alarm. The initiation selections which operand to start arcing current accumulation. The breaker opening has contact separation and arcing 2 stages. In order to subtract the arcing current through the pure breaker metal contacts, a programmable delay is introduced between initiation and starting of the integration to prevent false integration. This interval should include the operating time of the output relay, any other auxiliary relays, and the breaker opening. For maximum measurement accuracy, the breaker operating time should be measured with a breaker motion analyzer. After contact separation, the integration of the measured current continues for 100 milliseconds, by which time most modern breakers will have cleared the fault. Alarm level is total arcing current in kiloamps squared cycle. Check with the breaker specification to enter an accurate alarm level for this feature. The information of the arcing current can be found under the breaker report, which is under records, breaker records. So all the arcing current information is displayed here. 8 series relay provides breaker health information by monitoring and analyzing these parameters: operation count, arcing energy of breaking current, arcing time, tripping time, closing time, spring charging time, and incomplete charge time. All these factors together reflect the breaker health status. There are 2 modes of the breaker health: detection and monitoring. The detection mode can be used to help set the pickup level based on the historical true values. The operation count, arcing energy of the breaking current, arcing time, tripping time, closing time, and spring charging time are measured and displayed in this record breaker health report. But the element does not pick up when in detection mode. Monitoring mode is the normal mode wherein measurements are analyzed and the element may pick up accordingly. The operation count is able to give direct information by comparing it with the permissible operation number. The longer arcing time may suggest the loss of the longer tripping time and closing time can provide an approximate estimate of the trip and close coil and mechanical wear. The longer arcing time may suggest the loss of dielectric stress in the arcing chamber. The increase in spring charging time may imply the development of problems in motor and spring mechanism. The increase in arcing energy of the breaking current may reflect the possibility of contact wear. If the arcing current is disabled, the arc energy is not calculated and this setting should not be used. The arc energy used here is the individual values for each trip and not the accumulated values recorded in the breaker arcing current element. The scheme is equipped with 3 incomplete sequence timer for trip close, for the arcing, and the charging time. It is automatically resets the related time interval after the programmed delay.